Hey everyone, and welcome back. My nephew dropped off, or I should say his wife dropped off his guitar, my nephew Robbie, yesterday, and basically gonna check the setup, change the strings, and I'm gonna go a bit further. I'm gonna strip it right down and do a complete body cleaning and oiling, and fretboard cleaning and oiling, and check the keys and the hardware. Probably put some deoxit on the on these pots here if I can get access to them. There was an issue when he was telling me with the guitar, with the amplification system, the pickup system, and here is the extra battery box that operates the tuner and the pickups, and this is the extra battery box. So we had this replaced once, and he's got an extra battery box. There's already one in the guitar. The issue with this was on this side here. Now this sits down inside the battery box in the guitar and makes a connection and gives it 3 volts to the system, so it runs. But the issue is the copper tab here. It's something breaks off. So anyway, I rejigged the copper tab now, so it's bent down more and it's pushing up against the battery and making good connection now. And the other one that's in the guitar right here, I did the same with that one, same issue. So the pickup system is now working, so it's on to checking the string height, the neck tension, make sure the neck is flat, check the frets. I'll be checking the keys. They seem to be fine, and once I do that, I'm going to give the guitar a nice cleaning. And I have a kit over here. Hard to get it in shot here, but let me see if I can move it over here. This is my guitar kit. This is most of what I use. Get the lean in there. This here is the key stuff here. This body and fingerboard cleaning kit. There's some oils in there and some cleaners, and I've got a little neck prop here and some wire cutters, and here's the other kit here that's full of things for dressing your frets and cutting the nut and different things. Extra kit that I probably won't be needing today, and some stuff like that. But like I say, the main thing here is this here. I'm gonna give the guitar a cleaning with a rag first, a damp cloth. Get most of the gunk off. I'm going to take the strings completely off and then work from there and clean it all up. It doesn't look to be in too bad a condition. I don't see much dirt on the fretboard. That's usually where a lot of buildup happens. A bit of dust on the neck and some. It's relatively clean, but it's going to look a lot nicer once I get that done and put it on a new set of strings. I haven't got the set that he's looking for here. I think he wants 1042s or 1043s, I'm not sure, which is ultralight. I only have 1253s, which is the light gauge. So he wants to go with light. Some really nice action on this guitar, I must say. It looks really good. So I'm going to give it a good look over now and give it a good cleaning. So I have the strings all removed now, which means there's going to be no tension on the neck now. So when you put strings on again, when I put strings on again, it's going to take some time for the neck to get back that relief back, that tension back, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, the setup is beautiful. I checked the intonation. The intonation is nice, and the string settings, and there's no issue with the neck. So I have all the strings off, and I checked all the tuning pegs here, and some of them had a little bit more resistance than others. So just take a screw, Phillips screwdriver here, small one, and as you can see, there are screws here, little screws right here, and you don't need to unscrew them very much. You can just touch them to tighten them or twist them back to loosen them. But I just snugged them all with the same tension. I just put the screwdriver in there and just bring it to the same tension on each one, and there's just a little bit of resistance there, and so they'll feel equal. as you're tuning the strings right across the neck from top to bottom. So going to start with a little damp cloth and take off the excess dirt, and then start doing a nice thorough cleaning with these products here, and give it a nice shine and make it look like new. Just in case you're wondering, this is Dunlop guitar polish and cleaner. I've done the whole complete guitar, all the woodwork with this. Sprays on and you wipe it off. And then there's the other stuff here, which is I usually put lots of this on the, well, not lots, but I put it on the fretboard, give it a good oiling, and you can also use it on any other woods, especially on the bridge or anything that really doesn't have much of a finish on it, a satin finish or polyester finish, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the fingerboard is pretty well bare wood, so it needs this stuff. There's other products out there. This is not a Dunlop commercial, of course, but this is what was available at the guitar shop. So and it's pretty cool. It dabs on his little dispenser foam there, as you can see. So I'm going to do the whole guitar actually with it and wipe it down, but especially on the neck. Just so you know, there is instructions that you can follow, so what I do and what you want to do is totally different. But anyway, this is specifically I think for the fretboard, but there you go. Okay, the lemon oil is nice and soaked into the fretboard there now, and I whipped off the excess and went over it again and again, and it's looking really nice and clean now. The grain is really popping out. I don't have the strings now, as I said earlier in the video, so I'm going to stop this video now and get it uploaded. This is just pretty much a once over of a guitar, in case anybody's wondering. This is a, come on, oh well, it's always something, isn't it? There we go. It's in a Yamaha A3M guitar. I must say Yamaha makes really nice guitars. If you're ever looking for a guitar for price point and quality, Yamaha is probably one of the guitars you want to consider. Anyway, that's it for the guitar. Put the bridge back in there and wait for the strings and get this up and running. Thanks for watching.